Looking for a quick and easy way to make money online? Well, I've got you covered. I have just the website for you. All it takes is 2 minutes and you could be earning money. You can't be lazy though. You need to stick with me through the whole video so that you can learn exactly how to get set up and started. I can help make it easy to earn some extra cash, so stay tuned for me through this completely free step-by-step tutorial.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
To get started, you're going to want to head over to google.com. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of gadget you're on. You can be on a phone, a laptop, computer, or a tablet. Just scooch your booch over to Google. Be sure to follow every step because by the end of this video, you should be all set to start making some cold hard cash. Be sure to follow along and feel free to replay parts that you struggle understanding. So now you should have a tab open with Google. Now that you've completed step number 1, step number 2 is to type in Capterra in the search bar. Got it? That's Capterra, and then hit search. Now you're going to want to click over to the first link in the results. It should say software and software reviews. See it? Good. Click on that. Now this is what the website that brings you to should look like. Basically how this works is Capterra pays you to review certain software and programs. No worries though, you don't need to buy any of the software that you're going to be testing. You won't need to shell out any cash to do this, and you could be on your way to earning money in as little as 2 minutes. Now if you scroll down, you'll see all of the categories of the software that you can rate, and in total there are around 800 categories. So for sure you won't run out of work options on here. Each category features hundreds of different programs for you to review. All of the programs that you review will be online and you can make $20 every 5 minutes. Stay with me until the end and I can show you how to get started in a jiff and make a lot of money without needing to spend a dime. As you can see, Capterra has given its clients over 1 million verified reviews, which means that millions of people have made money this way. Now, $20 every 5 minutes may seem like a lot of money to you, so you may be wondering how to earn this much and why they pay this much. The simple answer is that software developers are willing to pay for great ratings. The more good reviews they have, the more people are willing to buy their software, and then they earn a ton of money. Simple as that. The money that they invest eventually gets returns, so that's why they pay as much as $20 just for you to spend 5 minutes reviewing their program. Now the next step for you to get started is to click Write a Review. Once you click on that, you should see a page that looks like this. If you scroll down, you can see hundreds of different programs and software that you can rate and then get paid. The reviews that you write about the software that you test will be featured online, and if people see that you've left a positive review, they'll want to go ahead and purchase the software for themselves.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
So scrolling down, you can see thousands of different programs that you can review, and there are actually some pretty cool software and programs that a lot of different people and different businesses use on a day-to-day basis. Clearly, there will never be a shortage of different programs that you can get paid to try out. If you check out the different categories, you see everything from business-related software, data collection software, email software, and so on. Each software that you review will pay you cold, hard cash. There's so much that you can do on this website and so much money that you could potentially earn. Let's say that you want to review QuickBooks right here. Before clicking on the link and reviewing it, I have a bit of a tip for you. This tip will save you a lot of time and effort. Go ahead and copy the software name. Remember that tab that I asked you to open with Google on it? Go ahead and open that tab and paste the software name in the search bar and then type reviews. Here you can see a lot of reviews on QuickBooks. Now you can borrow some of their reviews and then add some text of your own so that it doesn't completely have the same review or just paraphrase another person's review. This way you don't need to download the software or use it. Doing this will also save you a lot of time because you won't need to actually check out each aspect of the software. Just paraphrase other reviews and formulate your own so that you can earn money fast. Plus, you didn't spend a dime on having to download the software at all. Great, right? So now that I've taught you that little hack, I'm going to walk you through what it actually looks like to write a review and how you can earn some money. From the Capterra homepage, you're going to do what I said earlier. So click over to where it says write a review, and then you should see a page that looks like this. Now scroll through and try to find a software or program that you would like to review. There are a lot of different software that fall under different categories, so you can pick one that you may be interested in, or maybe one that you've used before. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to click over to QuickBooks. Once I click on the button that says QuickBooks, it's going to bring me to a page that looks just like this. Now, as you can see, you're going to go ahead and give them some of your personal information like your first and last name, your email address, and then you'll need to answer a few questions. One of the important questions on here is asking how often you use the software that you're reviewing, and here you're going to want to give them an answer like daily or weekly, because if they don't think that you use the software enough to review it, then you won't get paid to review the software. So you need to show that you frequently use whatever program that you're going to review, just so that they accept your review. Obviously, daily use would be the best option to pick to answer that question. It's also going to ask what your role is, and there you're just going to put in user. After that, you're just going to click on this button right here, and now it's going to ask you to rate the usability of the software out of 5. Of course, the higher the rating, the better. You can actually use the reviews that you see on Google to kind of gauge how you want to rate the software. So you just keep going through and giving ratings for each question or category. The more of these that you rate or complete, the better your chances are earning money, so I would do all of them. Also, it'll ask you if the price range was reasonable for the software and its functions. So just base your answer again off of other reviews that you see on Google. Then it will ask you whether you'd recommend it to a friend or a colleague to use the software, and I would probably give a high rating because cha-ching, you want the money. Then it would ask if there's anything else that you'd like to add, so you just go ahead and click through other reviews that you see, and then you can kind of paraphrase them and copy paste whatever you think would fit best. You can type out pros and cons if you like, and be creative and formulate your own review. Now, you don't have to fill out the whole form, but if you do, you have a better chance at earning money for the review, so I would do it. It doesn't even really take that long to do, so just do it. As I said earlier in the video, don't be lazy, and you could earn a ton of cash in no time. I swear the few minutes that it takes to formulate an answer will be worth it, and in the long run, it'll really help you out because you could earn some really good money. Super quick and super simple. So easy that your grandma could do it. So at the end, you're just gonna go ahead and check this box. Now before submitting your review, make sure that all of your details are correct and your name and everything is right because they need your personal information to be accurate. And then once you've double checked and are sure, just go ahead and submit your review. Congratulations, you're on your way to making $20 for 5 minutes of quote-unquote work. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.